Hello friends, in this video we are going to study about some basic concept of Markov chain and stochastic matrix. Markov chain, named after Andrew Markov, is a mathematical system that undergoes transition from one state to another between a finite or countable number of possible states. It is a random process usually characterized as memoryless. The next state depends only on the current state and not on the sequence of events that precede it. This specific kind of memorylessness is called Markov property. What does Markov chain mean? A Markov chain is a mathematical process that transitions from one state to another within a finite number of possible states. It is a collection of different states and probabilities of variable, where its future condition or state substantially dependent on its immediate previous state. A Markov chain is also known as discrete time Markov chain or Markov process. Some applications of Markov chain. Markov analysis can be used to analyze a number of different decision situations. However, one of its more popular applications has been the analysis of customer brand switching. This is basically a marketing application that focuses on the loyalty of customers to particular product, brand, store, or supplier. Stochastic matrix. In mathematics, a stochastic matrix is a square matrix used to describe the transition of Markov chain. Each of its entries non-negative real numbers representing a probability is called probability matrix, transition matrix, or substitution matrix. Markov matrix. Stochastic matrix was developed by Andrew Markov at the beginning of the 20th century and has found use throughout the wide variety of scientific fields, including the probability theory, statistics or mathematical finance, and linear algebra, as well as computer science and population genetics. There are several different definitions and types of stochastic matrix. Right stochastic matrix, real square matrix with each row summing to 1. Left stochastic matrix, real square matrix with each column summing to 1. Doubly stochastic matrix, square matrix of non-negative real number with each row and column summing to 1. Stationary distribution of Markov chain. A stationary distribution of Markov chain is a probability distribution that remains unchanged in the Markov chain as time progresses. Typically, it is represented as a row vector pi whose entries are probability summing to 1. That given transition matrix P, it satisfies pi is equal to pi p. In other words, pi is an invariant by the matrix P. Ergodic Markov chain have a unique stationary distribution, and absorbing Markov chain have stationary distribution with non-zero elements only in observation state. The stationary distribution gives information about the stability of a random process and in certain cases describe the limiting behavior of the Markov chain. Thank you friends.